our school principal, Madam Teresa L. Aliviado, distinguished guests, parents, teachers, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed afternoon to all of you. In behalf of the kinder class for the academic year 2015-2016, I would like to thank you all for coming here today to witness this memorable event of our day. As an idiom in English, no man is an island. No man can live without the help of others. My fellow graduates, we dedicate this day to the people behind our success, to our teachers who help us in this early year of endeavor. Thank you for your patience, understanding, and perseverance. Thank you for being a surrogate parent for us. And intuition that school is a home away from home. To all our parents for your support, love, and guidance. And to our dear alma mater, Gentle Childcare Learning Center for providing us an excellent education wherein learning has been always fun. And most important, to our Almighty God for giving us the wisdom and strength. To all of you who are here today,